Have you ever seen a math problem like this? 9 minus 6 divided by 3 times 2? If you enjoy figuring out these tricky puzzles, subscribe to the channel for more quick math tutorials. This problem is a classic PEMDAS trap. It looks simple, but one step trips up almost everyone. Let's look at the common mistake first. The instinct for many is to solve the operations as they appear from left to right, ignoring the hierarchy of PEMDAS. They would calculate 9 minus 6 is 3, then 3 divided by 3 is 1, and finally 1 times 2 equals 2. This seems logical if you read it like a sentence, but it is mathematically incorrect. Let's solve it the right way using the PEMDAS rule. First, a quick reminder. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. The most important thing to remember is that multiplication and division have equal priority and must be solved from left to right before you handle any addition or subtraction. Our problem is 9 minus 6 divided by 3 times 2. There are no parentheses or exponents, so we must handle the division and multiplication first. Let's begin the correct way. Step 1. Identify the first division or multiplication. Reading from left to right, we see division first. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So now, our problem becomes 9 minus 2 times 2. Step 2. Now we continue from left to right. The next operation is multiplication. 2 times 2 equals 4. Our problem is now simply 9 minus 4. Step 3. Finally, we do the subtraction. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So, the correct answer is not 2, but 5. The key takeaway is this. Don't let adjacent operations trick you. Always clear all multiplication and division from left to right before you even look at addition or subtraction. If you remember this one rule, you'll avoid this common pitfall. If this clear explanation helped you, please give this video a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more content that makes math easy. Let us know in the comments what other problems we should solve next. Thanks for watching.